Coming to the first button, that is CHAT GPT, I click on the icon. I'm brought to the page for using CHAT GPT. This feature is basically provided so that anyone, a cadet or ANO, can use the CHAT GPT to generate questions on a topic of your choice in GK. So the same thing is mentioned over here. So I have to click here to enter a topic. Before entering, a sample topic is mentioned, but this is just to help you. You have to type your own topic here by typing something. In case you have a doubt as to what topics could be put in over here, we have provided you with tab to check topic samples. So the list of sample topics can be checked over here. There are a few topics which are already listed. So suppose I want to know about mountains in Europe, some GK questions on mountains of Europe. So I click on it. The same thing is now fed in the input box. I can click on submit and scroll down. The questions are being generated. They've already been generated now. Following questions have been generated. Question number 1 with the answer 2, 3, 4, 5. And at the bottom it says Chat GPT can make mistakes. Check your answer and verify independently. So that has been done, and now we have generated 5 questions on a particular topic of our choice.